Hi friends, welcome everyone to MG Time. Today we are going to prepare a very delicious egg roast and show you how to make it quickly. So, without wasting any time, let's get to the video. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Set the flame to medium. First, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to the oil. Once the mustard seeds have spluttered, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. After the cumin seeds splutter, add a 1/4 cup of chopped garlic and ginger along with 3 green chilies. Sauté until the raw smell disappears. Once the raw smell is gone, add the 3 medium-sized chopped onions. Salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix well, and then cover the pan. Stir the onions occasionally. Continue sautéing until the onions turn a brown color. While the onions are sautéing, take 2 tomatoes and grind them into a smooth paste. Take 4 eggs and make 3 slits on each egg. Heat a separate pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder and immediately place the slit eggs into the pan. Roast for about 2 minutes, then remove the eggs and set them aside. Once the onions are brown, add 1½ tablespoons of chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder is used here. After the raw smell of the chili powder is gone, add the ground tomato paste, stir, and cover the pan for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 2 teaspoons of Garam masala and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a good mix. Then, pour in 3/4 glass of hot water. After gently place the roasted eggs into the gravy. Cover and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our delicious egg roast is ready. See you in the next video with a recipe for a healthy flatbread, roti, that perfectly matches this recipe. Please don't forget to try this and share your feedback with everyone. Also, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.